Recently, one of my videos hit over 50,000 views, and a lot of you asked how I make these what-if skeleton videos. So in this video, I'll show you my exact workflow using AI tools like Grok and ChatGPT. Step 1. Finding viral ideas. I start by asking AI for what-if video ideas. For example, what if you trained like an MMA fighter? What if you didn't sleep for 7 days? What if you did push-ups every day for a year? These types of extreme curiosity questions perform really well on YouTube Shorts. Step 2. Writing the script. Next, I use AI to generate a short timeline script. Usually it follows this structure: Day 1, Week 1, Month 1, Year 1. This keeps viewers watching because they want to see how the body changes over time. Step 3. Creating the scenes. Then I generate scene prompts for AI image tools. Each scene shows the skeleton body reacting to the challenge. For example, muscles activating, injuries glowing red, stronger body over time. This is what makes the video visually interesting. Step 4. Voiceover. For voiceovers, you can use AI voice tools. Just paste the script and generate a cinematic narration voice. This usually takes less than a minute. Step 5. Editing the video. Then I edit everything into a 20 to 30 second short. The structure usually looks like this: hook to timeline to final question. For example, but the real question is, could you survive it? Step 6. Posting strategy. Finally, I upload the short with a strong title like, what if you didn't sleep for 7 days? And I try to post 1 to 2 videos per day. This helps YouTube understand your niche. That's the full process I use to create these AI-powered skeleton videos. If you want more tutorials or video ideas, let me know in the comments.